When I first stepped in manufacturing, it was amazing to me. Like being in this program, it allowed me like a second opportunity in life.
I really like the avenues and the different pathways that I could follow with FAME-EMT.
I was able to achieve something I always wanted to do before.
When I was in high school, I was in the robotics team, and when I found out that I could actually be in the industry working and showing somewhat of my skills, it caught my attention.
My name is Kyle Poole, and I'm part of the Greater Louisville, Kentucky FAME chapter.
My name is Diane Bunyalak. I'm a graduate of Texas FAME Alamo chapter.
My name is Chris Matos, and I'm part of the Greater Louisville FAME chapter.
I think of myself as creator for the simple fact that we make things day in and day out.
Manufacturing to me, it's something I'm passionate about now, and I feel like I love being on my feet.
I like to work with the equipment hands-on. It gives me a better understanding, take my skills, what I learned from here, and apply it to work.
So the Advanced Manufacturing Center has been crucial in the learning of all these different skills.
Manufacturing core exercises really helped me learn about safety and how to be safe on the job.
I'm more confident in speaking at work. I'm able to share my ideas.
There's a lot to learn, so to have somebody that is willing to teach you and take you under their wing to do things properly and how to actually be successful in this job makes a big difference.
If I was in high school and I was able to get in a program like Texas FAME, I'd definitely jump on it.
I'm going to be the second in my family to have a college degree, and they're really proud of me.
It's something I can carry on to different companies and grow more. My name is Diane Bunyalak.
Chris Matos.
Kyle Poole, and I am
a
a creator.